everyone and welcome back once again. Today we will make an amazing starter dish. It is bruschetta. Bruschetta is basically an Italian dish. It is a grilled bread which is drenched in lots of olive oil and garlic and is basically served with tomatoes and basil. But today I'll make here 3 types of bruschetta. So let's start making without wasting our time. Please do subscribe to my channel and do like and share the video. So for our first tomato and basil bruschetta, I have taken here 3 tomatoes which are finely chopped, and I'm going to chop now basil leaves. Here I'm adding 7 to 8 basil leaves. So the proper method of cutting or chopping the basil leaves are, you have to first pile them up, then roll them gently and then chop them finely. There is no hard and fast rule to follow the same quantity of ingredients over here. You can vary it according to your choice. If you like basil, you can definitely increase the quantity of basil leaves. Now here we will finally chop them and it goes in our tomatoes. Here I am adding in 3 to 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped, salt according to your taste, a bit of pepper, half a teaspoon of vinegar, and finally 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Just mix it well and we will keep it for 10 to 15 minutes before serving so that it just marinates well. Now moving on to our second topping. For a corn and onion bruschetta topping, we will first take 1 medium onion finely chopped. To it we will add 1/4 cup of corn. We will also add in 1 small capsicum finely chopped, few basil leaves finely chopped. Add in 3 to 4 cloves of chopped garlic, salt according to the taste, a bit of pepper, mix it well, give it a good mix. Oh, I forgot to add a bit of oregano or mixed herbs and chili flakes also. Now finally give it a mix and keep it aside. Our third topping of bruschetta is spinach and cottage cheese bruschetta topping. For this we first need 1/3 cup of blanched spinach. To it we will add cottage cheese, that is our grated paneer. I'm adding here approx 4 tablespoons of cottage cheese. Definitely you can vary the quantity according to your choice. In goes the salt, along with it pepper. You can add Italian seasoning or chili flakes if you wish to. Give it a good mix again and a third topping is also ready. Now in order to make bruschetta, I have here taken a garlic loaf. You can take a plain bread loaf also. Cut it diagonally and do not cut very thin slices. In order to coat our bread with oil, here I have taken 4 tablespoons of olive oil. To it I have added few chopped garlic cloves. Place the bread slice on a baking tray, and now we need to apply oil on the bread. You need to be very generous in this step. The real flavor of your bruschetta will come from this step only. You need to be very generous while applying the oil. After applying it on top side, just flip it over and we will apply the oil on the other side too. Again, apply it well. Believe me, this step will make the bread wow. Now sprinkle some cheese. You don't need to add much of cheese because it should not overpower our toppings. Now this will go in the oven for approximately 5 minutes. Our bruschettas are now ready. Isn't this yummy? So here is a small tip. Never serve your bruschettas with the toppings over the bread. Let your guests or your friends do it on their own so that the bread doesn't get soggy at all. Do try this amazing recipe and leave a feedback in the comment section below. We'll be back with another amazing one. Until then, goodbye.